Now, a strong recovery in services and manufacturing is fueling exceptional growth in the Malaysian economy. The country's gross domestic product grew 8.7% in 2022. That is the fastest pace in more than 2 decades. Fourth quarter growth came in at 7%. And the central bank expects the country to avoid a recession this year, despite a global slowdown, with growth moderating. CNA's Melissa Goh has more.
Now, it was a picture of confidence. Now, speaking at the news conference to unveil the fourth quarter's economic numbers, Bank Negara Governor Nur Syamsiah not only downplayed risk of a recession, she's optimistic of a stronger growth in the first 3 months of this year.
The reasons why we are not in a recession: first, the global economy is still growing. We are not seeing a global recession. And more importantly, we are going to see continued recovery in the labour market. Employment continues to grow. Income will continue to grow. And we have also, like what you have seen in our fourth quarter, our investment numbers, private investment, public investment remains strong. You have higher FDIs.
Now, while approved foreign direct investment was at record high, with the biggest coming from Singapore in the E&E sector, tourism, she said, is going to see a V-shaped recovery with the earlier than expected reopening of China's economy. Now, all these, she said, are more than enough to offset any slowdown in exports if global demand is weaker than expected this year due to external risks. Now, meanwhile, the central bank has put a pause on further interest rate hikes to support growth. Now, the overnight policy rate, or OPR, now stands at 2.75% and was raised 4 times last year. And the government, she said, will announce the revised growth forecast for this year during the budget tabling by Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim on February 24th. Melissa Goh, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.